everyone, I am back. As I teased on my MJ's Moments Instagram, which you can follow right here, and in my last video, I am going on a new adventure. So I wanted to just take a little video of the packing that's going to occur because I will be gone for 3 months and I will be on islands the whole time. So I can disclose the first location. It's the U.S. Virgin Islands, which I'm super excited about. And then the next location is going to be a secret for now, but I'm going to basically pack away my life for 3 months into these babies right over here. We've got a big suitcase, a carry-on, and this sweet backpack.
The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
Except the ferries are already not running because we had a 2-hour delay. So we will keep you updated on how exactly we're going to get to our island. Let the adventure begin! Hello everyone. So it's been a journey. We literally had our flight delayed 2.5 hours from Orlando to St. Thomas, meaning that we missed the last ferry boat to get to Water Island, which is this tiny island we're staying on. And so we were like, okay, checked all the hotels. How many were there? 0. Called the hostels, 0. Looked up Airbnbs, VRBOs, you name it, we tried it, 0. We're like, okay, cool. So then, luckily, we heard from some locals on the plane that we could contact this restaurant and that someone would have a boat at the restaurant and would take us. And we're like, we've got no other option. So we called the restaurant and luckily they gave us this guy's number. Might be a little sketchy. Turned out to not be sketchy, thank gosh. It actually turned out to be the person we're staying with son. So we made it to the island.
On a tiny little raft.
On a tiny little raft. And it was really pretty. And we don't know what anything looks like because it's dark. And it rained. It's really just the perfect combo. We made it on the island. And now we'll see if we make it to the place we're staying. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to the U.S. Virgin Islands. Gonna give you a quick tour. This is our room. It has fully enclosed walls, double beds, no air conditioning, but it honestly feels really good with 2 fans and it works perfect for the almost 6 weeks that we're gonna be here. Alright, next I'm going to take you to our bathroom. It's amazing. It's an outdoor bathroom. And you'll see what I mean once you see it. It's gorgeous. Beautiful outdoor sink. And then right around the corner we have 2 bathrooms and an outdoor shower, which are also amazing. So just your typical bathrooms. And
And then our outdoor shower is right in there. All right, now we're gonna take a bit of a walk up to our lounging area. So as you can see here, it is absolutely stunning. Again, a lot of homemade artwork. If you're looking at some of the glass in here, these are actually glass bottles. The place we're staying at does a lot of sustainable art projects and focuses on sustainability in general. So you'll see a lot of that around here, a lot of paintings. This is an awesome place to read, and it's really calming here in general. Now we're gonna head out to the outdoor kitchen that we use. Again, really amazing. Alrighty, so up here we have our outdoor kitchen. It's beautiful. I have a little friend in the background. And it's just a really great view from here. And over here we have amazing areas to sit and dine. They do cooking classes and other types of things up here, which is why it has such a phenomenal kitchen and eating area. We have a little cat. There's a lot of cats that live on this island. And lastly, I'm just going to take us up to what they call the Talking Rock. It has beautiful views. It's a really great place to sit in the afternoon or anytime in the morning. Stay tuned for so many more adventures on the island. Kenna, who's behind the camera, we can't wait to show you everything we're doing for the next six weeks here.